VR class, we mainly focused on creating a 3D world that they could explore and interact with. The project was to build an environment that could have interactions. In this class, we try to give it a bit more of an open feel. Projects are more about building what you want to build, where I give them the code and then they take that code and try to make their own things with it.
I was kind of trying to do a racer game. I'm still trying to figure out how to get these cars to move. I guess it kind of has a low poly feel to it.
I basically am making a couple houses in like a village. I'm using my Xbox controller to do this, which is nice. It works on Xbox. But I could also use it on computer. Yesterday, I spent almost the entire class trying to figure out what was wrong with the elevator. We had to change the way we wrote the code to a different way.
The camera that we've attached to the characters to read the VR headset. Without a VR headset, you can still walk around in first person around these entire environments and interact with it. The most detailed and also the most code heavy I've seen. Obviously VR is always code heavy, but both of them have made super detailed and super interactive.